For the last 10 years, EHC fluid maintenance has been relatively static and not developing over time. Users would focus on acid removal and in some cases water removal, but the only onboard systems to maintain EHC fluids have been limited to acid filtration and particulate filtration. Everything changed in 2021 when ASTM came out with the first in-service guide for the maintenance and testing of EHC fluids. This standard is called ASTM D8323. This standard requires a much more extensive test package be done on the monthly testing of EHC fluids, and in turn requires a much different approach to fluid maintenance. Unfortunately, the mechanical problems in EHC systems are not caused by acid problems. Yet the maintenance and testing is completely focused on acid removal. That is an incredible mismatch. EHC fluids fail, and mechanical systems using EHC fluids fail because the chemistry of these fluids is not being managed with the existing maintenance that's performed. EHC systems accumulate much more contamination than just particulate and acid. These contaminants include submicron particulates that are not able to be removed with mechanical filtration. They also include varnish that can't be removed with existing acid removal filters or particulate removal filters. This contamination includes phenols, which are varnish precursors that are not removed with existing filtration. EPT Clean Oil is very excited to announce ECR 10,000, which combines 3 different technologies we've developed onto one platform to address the main requirements under D8323. These include ICB for acid removal, phenol removal, varnish removal, and resistivity improvement, ECR for submicron particulate removal, fluid color restoration, and MPC reduction, and mechanical filtration at 1 micron to remove all solid contaminants in the system. ECR 10,000 is a really exciting product because now for the first time, users can address a very comprehensive range of contamination, both chemistry and the physical contamination that's also been accumulated over time. Our goal with ECR 10,000 is to go beyond fluid restoration into fluid recovery and fluid maintenance. To learn more how ECR 10,000 can offer a giant step forward in EHC fluid maintenance, we'd ask you to send us a sample to the EPT Technical Center for a complete evaluation as per ASTM D8323. If we could be of any support, please call us.